Welcome to Ramtech Printer Service channel. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to clean Epson printer head. How to clean the Epson printer head. Any ink tank printer head, you are not getting the correct letter format. That means even if you clean the printer head several times, after cleaning the deep cleaning itself, if you are not getting the proper output, you have to clean the printer head like this method. So for this, you have to take out the printer head from your printer, right? After removing this, how to clean the printer head, I am going to explain, right? Remove the printer head, which is very simple. Only 3 screws are there. Simply you can remove this printer head. Simply you can remove this printer head. After removing the printer head, you need printer head cleaning solution, and one syringe with tube. So how to clean, I am going to explain. See, take this solution and in this syringe take 2 to 3 ml. After that, take this syringe with the tube, insert into one printer head hole. Tightly insert. Okay. When you are giving the pressure, it will spray around your place. So you have to be very careful. So now you have to clean like this. See, now the ink is coming out. Right? Then take out the tube and insert into another hole. Right? Now you give pressure. See, which is coming, right? Now take out this and insert into third one. See, after fixing properly, now give more pressure, right? Now the yellow is coming out. Now take out this, right? Then insert into this. Now you give the pressure. See, all these things we have cleaned properly. After that, take one tissue paper and see the impression of the output of the head. See, all color if comes properly. See here, I will show. See here, this is black, blue, pink, yellow. Black, pink, black is one length, blue, pink, yellow. All colors are coming out. Then what you have to do, you have to remove the ink using the tissue paper. After that, take this head, keep in the dried area. See, you have to keep the head at least 8 to 9 hours. Then only you have to fix with your printer, because this head which is attached with this printer cable hole, printer ribbon cable hole. So if you connect your printer immediately, it will get short. it will get short, so the board will get affect. The board will get affect. To avoid such a conditions, what do you have to do? After completing the printer head cleaning operation, you have to make your head get dry at least 8 to 9 hours. After 8 to 9 hours, you have to take the head and place into your printer. Give the printout one by one. First printout you will get a little bit output. Second printout little bit improvement. Third and fourth slightly you will get improve. When you reach the 10th page, you will get a exact printout. You will get a exact printout. This is the way to clean the print head in Epson ink tank printer. Epson ink tank printer, right? So for this you need printer head and head cleaning solution which is available in online, and one syringe with tube. That's all. Using this you can clean your printer head. You can clean your printer head, then you can place into your printer. See the output, surely it will be perfect. The only one condition is after clean the printer head, you have to make the printer head get dry at least 8 to 10 hours. After that only you have to place into your printer. Say immediately if you place into your printer, this head which is connected with the ribbon cable, so it will directly link with the printer board, so the printer board will go off. So to avoid such a situations, you have to wait for 8 to 10 hours. That is, you have to do in the evening. Then you have to keep the printer head get dry at least whole night. Then tomorrow, next day morning, if you place into your printer, surely you will get a correct output. Thanking you. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment. I will explain to you. I will explain to you in my next video. Have a nice day. Welcome.